In this video, we will give an overview of the research performed in the lab of Professor David Walt at Tufts University. We will describe the basics of fiber optics, the fabrication of microwell arrays using fiber optic bundles, how we seal the microwells, and how we use this platform to analyze single molecules. Finally, we will discuss how analyzing single molecules helps give us important information in fields such as cancer diagnostics and fundamental enzyme studies. Optical fibers are comprised of two parts, an inner core and an outer cladding, which are made of different types of glass. When light enters the fiber at or above a certain angle, the light is totally internally reflected, which means it can be transmitted for long distances. This is the basis of the fiber optic cables that bring internet and TV into your home. In our lab, we use fiber optic bundles, meaning thousands of individual optical fibers are fused together to create
The Kimberley Process Certification Scheme is the only international agreement overseeing the global trade of rough diamonds and preventing their use in funding deadly conflict. The Kimberley Process was set up in 2003 and represents a unique partnership of industry, civil society, and government. While the Kimberley Process has been effective in certain regards, it has been criticized for responding too slowly to violations in the rough diamond trade, and has been asked to evolve to an expanding set of concerns. These shortcomings have caused certain important actors, like Global Witness and Human Rights Watch, to abandon the process. However, many stakeholders such as Partnership Africa Canada hope that 2012 will be a breakthrough year in terms of reform for the Kimberley process.
Take a look at the same set of signs, but this time organized by hand shape. So first we can start by shaping the data again. And here you can see that there are many clusters of hand shapes. Each cluster is a set of signs that all share the same hand shape. Make sure that they're not overlapping here. And what's really striking in this image is that we've got a variety of different clusters, and each of the clusters is relatively small. So let's poke around here. So this is the hand shape that we gloss or transcribe as open 8. And the signs that use that hand shape include disappointed, lucky, feel, sick, delicious, etc.
The simulation showed here displays an intermediary stage of the coalescence of two droplets laden with elongated particles with nematic-like interaction. The particles are confined to the tangent plane of the interface. It starts with the particles randomly oriented on the surface, and as the elastic energy is minimized, they reorient into a more ordered phase. The final texture at this stage of the coalescence has 4 topological defects of charge 1/2 as required by topology. The ultimate aim of these studies is to bridge the fundamental microscopic theory of orientational order in curved geometry to the engineering applications.
We could also think of the cheese industry, also provides many billions of dollars, and the poultry processing industry provides many billions of dollars to food services and drinking places, even provides some resources, some food to the animal slaughtering, rendering, and processing industry, and I'm again going to delete a small reverse flow. What we really want to know is how these foods flow through the restaurant industry on their way to the final consumer.